Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your old Spotify Wrapped playlist. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Spotify application on my mobile phone. And before I show you how we can get our old Spotify Wrapped playlist, I'm going to show you the result of my 2024 Wrapped. So this is the result guys, and I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm just going to skip it. I'm gonna move to the end part of this Wrapped immediately. Okay, this is the result, and these are the top songs of this year. And then I'm going to show you how we can get the playlist of these top songs. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can get the Spotify Wrapped playlist for this year. We just need to go to the search menu and then search for your top songs playlist. If you want to get the Spotify Wrapped playlist for this year, you just need to type in this year like this, your top songs 2024. And this is for the top songs of 2024 playlist, right? This is my 5 top songs in the Spotify Wrapped. And if you want to get the old Spotify Wrapped playlist, you just need to enter the year you want to view. Let's say I want to get the old Spotify Wrapped playlist of 2021. So just type in your top songs 2021 like this guys. All right, and this is the playlist for top songs in 2021. Okay, and I'm going to move to 2022. Okay, these are my top songs in 2022. You will be able to customize the playlist if you want. You will be able to add a song from this playlist to another playlist, and it's up to you guys. You can customize the playlist as you like. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get old Spotify Wrapped playlist. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!